Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can add friend someone on Discord, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to add friend someone on Discord, it's actually pretty easy. So for the first step, I want you to go to the direct message section. And once you're on the direct message section, you will then be able to see the add friend option at the top. Just go and click it. And after that, you can now search the Discord username of the person that you want to add as a friend. And make sure that the username you will enter is correct and accurate, because even a small mistake will cause the person to not receive your friend request. And once you're done entering the username, you can now click the Send Friend Request button. And after that, your friend request will now be sent. Just wait for them to accept it and then you will now be friends on Discord. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.